Hello, my name is Stanley Gabriel, the CEO of Investo, and today we're talking about family and what we leave behind for them. Leaving a successful legacy for your family is the best way to show them you care. The best way to do this is with a will and testament. Many South Africans don't have a will, or they don't update it regularly. There's one way to guarantee your family's financial future. A will and testament specifies what happens to your assets and properties in the event that you pass away. This is why you need to keep it updated regularly. I will also always advocate for financial advice. It's important to have a trusting and healthy relationship with your financial advisor and check in regularly with them. Request that your advisor partner with experts like Momentum Trust, who will ensure the smooth winding up of your estate. They'll also support your dependents through every step of this difficult journey. Did you know you can also visit the Momentum website, momentum.co.za, to arrange a will for you and your spouse online for free. Drafting an executable will means that there will be sufficient life cover available to ensure that your wishes are fulfilled and not eroded by estate costs and taxes. You get the ease of establishing a trust to aid your estate planning. Finally, peace of mind knowing that your will and trust is in safe custody and easily available. This also prevents interstate succession, where a court of law will decide what happens to your belongings and not necessarily according to your wishes. So think about those you will leave behind and protect their emotions when they are already in a very fragile state. At Momentum, we always say, thinking about death is the ultimate practice of living well. This is my final episode with you. What an incredible journey it's been. I hope you've enjoyed and found value in all of the tips that I've shared with you as I've taken you through different financial life stages. I'll now hand over to Jeanette to wrap up the season of Momentum Money Heroes. Signing out, Stanley Gabriel.